Hello there, welcome back. Today I'm going to unbox my October Lookfantastic box. October! Oh my god. October. I want summer to come back. I miss summer so much. Anyway, if you guys want to see what I got this month, then keep on watching. Oh my god, I can't believe that it's October. What? This is so cute. Wow, purple box. Okay, let's see. Alrighty. So we have again coupons that I can't use because I don't live in UK, but it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. So this is how the box looks like this month, and wow, this is so chic, so pretty. Like, I don't know if you can see, but this is hello, hello, hello. This is so cute, like honestly, wow. Anyway, let's see, let's see. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The info card. Then we have the Elle magazine. Pretty Cara. You're so cute, Cara. And this, honestly, the presentation is so beautiful. Like, what? Are you kidding me? 15 euros, like, bitch. Let's see what we have inside. Oh, let me see what's the theme for this month. So this is the Cosmic edition because it's purple. Cosmic. I don't know. Okay, let's see. I'm curious, excited at the same time. What is it? Ooh, so we have a sheet mask. When did we got the sheet mask? I think it was in August. I don't remember, but we have the illuminating holographic sheet mask, choke with hyaluronic acid and citrus oils. This is from okay. I'm guessing this is a Korean brand. Wow, this is cute. Oh, the mask looks like this. Okay. Let's see how much this costs. Don't call me. So this is £10. One mask for £10. Oh my god. Yeah, interesting. Okay. Wow, we have quite a few products this month. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. Lookfantastic. What? Okay, let's go with the EOS. I never tried this brand. I know it's very popular. This is the EOS Shimmer Lip Balm in the shade Coral. Okay, this is £6.50. So it says deeply hydrate the lips with this lip balm that hosts a cocktail of nourishing and protective ingredients like shea butter, jojoba oil, vitamin E, blah blah blah. Okay, I'm curious to see how this smells. Let's find out. Don't call me angel, you ain't got me right. Yeah. This is so pretty. Okay, let's see. This is cute. It smells like vanilla, maybe? I don't know. Let's swatch this. So it has like a hint of color. Interesting. That's cute. As I said, never tried EOS. And the packaging is so cute. Like, let's play volley. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. Okay, let's see what this mask does for you because because 10 pounds. So it says happiness every day, and they have some instructions in Romanian too, which is amazing. I don't see that often, instructions in Romanian on products. So it says sulfate free, gluten free and suitable for vegans, not tested on animals. But let's see what this does for my skin, you know, 10 pounds. Give your skin a futuristic facial with this hyaluronic acid infused face mask containing a supercharged dose of brightening citrus oils and skin boosting ascorbic. The complexion is left bright and dewy. Interesting. Okay. Okay, moving on. Sorry, I'm all over the place. Next I see a hairbrush, like for babies, hairbrush. This is so pretty. So this is from the what brush? Wow, I heard about this brand. It says little brush, big results. Okay. The size doesn't matter, said no one ever. Anyway, the detangler for life on the go. How much this costs? Because wet brushes are kind of expensive. Oh, it's not that expensive. So this is £7.99, and I guess I got the color Bright Geos Speckle, and it says color may vary. So I guess I got the nice color because this is so pretty. Let me take this out. Alright, this is so tiny. Wow, it smells sweet like peaches. What? Okay, so this is not my hair, this is a fake ponytail, but you're supposed to use this on wet hair. Anyway. But it's so tiny, like it's so tiny like for babies. I really like the color though, like look at this, so pretty, right? As I said, I saw a brush, and this is by the brand Look Good, Feel Better, I guess. Show you support. It says angled blending brush, and I'm not a fan of the shape, but it says luxuriously soft bristles, currently free, cruelty free and vegan, professional quality. Look good, feel better, facing cancer with confidence. Oh, that's so cool. Hand sculpted super soft bristles allow you to create classic or party look with ease. Ooh, let's see how much this is. Okay, so this is £6.99, and I love that it's vegan and cruelty free. Let's see how this feels, but honestly the shape, I'm not a fan. So as we all know, October is the awareness month for breast cancer, and this supports the cause. We have a hashtag here, but I'm so dumb, I don't know how to read this. Like, I'm reading Wear Paint for Life. I don't know what that means, but this supports the cause. And this is how the brush looks like. This is amazing, by the way. This is amazing. I'm all over the place, as I told you. So this is the brush. I don't know how to show that to you. I don't know how to show it to you. I'm not really a fan on the angled blending brushes. I don't know how to use them. I do prefer the rounded or the pointy brushes, but this is soft and is nice, that is cruelty free and vegan. It says look good, feel better, angle blending brush, and that's it. Very cute, but I'm not a fan of the shape. That's it. It's just me, okay? It's just me. Okay, so that's that. I don't know why I'm putting this back. So we have two more products, and let's go with this one. This is what? Super tiny, so cute. This is by the brand TheBalm, and it says Foiled Again, foil eyeshadow. The Balm girl catches your eye. This is so cute. Please focus. Like, how cute is this? Honestly, get it, girl. Ooh, this is the color. Very beautiful, matches my outfit, my nails, kinda my makeup. Very nice. So as it says, this is a foil eyeshadow. Let's see how. So okay, so the shade is called Red Handed. That's so cute. I'm going to swatch it. Let's see. Interesting. Alright, let's see right here. Oh, it feels very buttery, and the color is so pretty. Let me build this a little bit more, but the color is so pretty. It doesn't look that foiled to me. I don't know. It's cute though. It's cute, and it feels very soft, like very buttery. It doesn't smell though. Okay, so this, oh, so they, I'm so glad that I didn't get the Mary Luminizer because I already have that. They also have the alternative rock. I don't know what color is that, but this retails for £8. Like this. Yeah, this is a single eyeshadow. Okay, so yeah, they had two more options. I'm so glad that I got this one because I already have this one. When is it? This one. And I don't know what color is this. This is pink fluorite. Oh, I would love to get the pink eyeshadow. And the last product we have in October Lookfantastic box is this cream from Polaar. I already have this, or had this. I used to get this brand in my Birchbox boxes like all the time, I'm not even joking. But this is the La Véritable Crème de la Poignée. This is a hand cream. It smells so good, and yeah, it's cute. It's cute. And the full size retails for £9.90. This is just mini size. As I was saying, I have more products from this brand because I used to get them in my Birchbox boxes all the time. I was not joking, okay? Alright, so this is all I got in my October Lookfantastic box, and I'm excited to try all the products, and I am curious to see how this brush works on my lids. As I said, I'm not a fan of the shape, but this feels very soft, very soft. The eyeshadow is so pretty and very creamy, very buttery, as I said. And also I'm curious to see how this works on wet hair. We have the magazine. As I said, I don't read magazines, but it's cute. And Cara's eyebrows always on fleek. She's so pretty. Oh wait, we have a message from the masters. So it says, stars can shine without darkness. That's so true. Very beautiful. Lookfantastic. Beautiful. Alright guys, so that's it for today. Let me know down below what is your favorite product. I think mine is the brush because it's so pretty. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one.